टाइम हो गया है, लेट्स गेट रेडी। छोटे बड़े बूढ़ों को मेरा सलाम, ट्रैवल कीड़ा है मेरे चैनल का नाम। वेलकम बैक गाइस, आई होप यू आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। सो राइट नाउ इट्स 5 in the morning, 5 a.m. in the morning, and today is 1st of August, and I just managed to get 3 hours of sleep, and I can fulfill my sleep once I go back to my home sweet home, which is Delhi. My purpose has been fulfilled for which I came to Bangalore. So the details I've already told in my previous vlog, and in case you guys haven't, if you haven't watched the previous vlog, so there is an I button, you are for the same. So I already got my household item shifted from my flat's location to my friend's location, and also I got my bike shipped from Bangalore to Delhi. So for shifting my household items, I use the porter services, and how I use it, please watch this video clip. It might help you guys a lot. So this is the porter application which you can download from the Play Store. My pickup location is already selected, so I need to enter the drop location. Right, so once I choose the drop location, based on the distance, it will show me the list of the porters. It can be 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, or Tata Ace. So as per my requirement, I'll choose Tata Ace with helper, and the benefit of you choosing this option is to the helper will be able to unload and load the personal items. Okay, now it will show the relevant information and the capacity information of Tata Ace, and then we have to select the goods type, which is like household, and the quantity I've entered is 4. So it doesn't matter that how many quantity you have entered, but at least you should not cross the capacity limit. So once the details information is updated, a driver will be shortly assigned to the porter. So this is how I'm getting my stuff shifted from my flat's location to my friend's flat location. So basically they only provide door to door and ground to ground floor service, so you need to so I just tipped him off a few amount of money so that he can help me to unload the stuff from the 4th floor, which was very tough. So I hope the video was useful to you guys. Secondly, how I got my bike shipped from Bangalore to Delhi, the details will be shared in the later part of the vlog. So request you guys to stay with me till the end. So I have a flight to CAF which is scheduled at 9:35 in the morning, and I'm going through Go Air. So for now I have to say a goodbye to this flat and goodbye to Bangalore, and I hope I will be able to get the same flat once I come back to Bangalore when things become normal. So this is a kiosk machine for printing the boarding pass. You have to use the Google Lens app to scan the QR code, which will redirect to you to a website, and in that website you have to choose the selected flight, and then you have to enter your PNR number, right? And then once you enter your PNR number, you have to click submit, and then you will be able to see your boarding pass, and then you have to perform the necessary steps and select it for printing. हाँ जी, थैंक यू। So at first when I received the face shield, it was a very complicated task to build up that face shield, and people like me and many other at the airport were facing issues that what kind of a challenging task it was given. And then unfortunately I broke it. I broke the piece. Oh crap. And then finally I was able to create a new one. relaxed because right now I'm very tired. So see you at my home. Bye bye. After a long tiring journey, I am back to home sweet home. It was a very exhaustive day for me before the journey. I was working till late night and it was very exhaustive, but I felt so good that I did the part. I fulfilled that purpose for which I traveled to Bangalore. And of course, thank you so much, Ashish, for putting my stuff in your flat. Thank you so much. It was a very good gesture. Coming to the experiences, I had a very fantastic experience and the contactless experience at the Kempegowda International Airport, which I've already seen in the vlog. It was a fantastic experience. However, we expected a huge crowd. We already saw the huge crowd at the airport. The reason being most of the people were traveling back to their hometown, which is expected, of course. In comparison to Indigo, and the safety shields provided by Go Air was a bit challenging to wear and also to build it, which I've already seen in the vlog. Of course, and then it was a okayish experience. So once I reached Delhi, I was totally shocked at what is going on. There were no screening checks, there were no temperature checks when we entered the airport, and there was no one from the airport authorities to ask that from which city are we coming. And so basically there is no official home quarantine stamp which has to be given to you guys, so no need to worry about that official quarantine stamp. But however, as a responsible citizen, I would suggest you guys, if you're coming from other states, please be under home quarantine at least for 7 days. Finally, the big news, my bike is back with me and I'm really happy that I can spend some good quality time with her. So I got my bike shipped on 24th of July when I was in Bangalore, and to be honest, I was very surprised that I got my bike delivered back to Delhi within 5 days, that too safe and sounded. However, there's one minor scratch which you can see. This is the minor scratch, so which we can expect, of course, if we are getting a bike delivered through movers and packers. So this is the picture of my bike which I took prior to its shipment, and unfortunately I couldn't shoot that day due to time constraints. So basically I contacted Classic Care Movers and Packers, and it costed me around rupees 11,000 for getting my bike shipped from Bangalore to Delhi. And you can avail their services from anywhere in India, and for more details you can check their website. So basically the bike was wrapped 4 times. In the first 2 attempts it was wrapped with the bubble foam wrap, and then thirdly it was wrapped with using the carton sheet, and fourthly with the cellophane sheet, so that the entire wrapping remains intact. So I was really happy with the services and also with the price quoted. So I hope I was able to provide useful information through my video. And for people who are traveling from other states to Delhi, please note that there is no official quarantine as of now. If you feel really responsible, I would suggest you guys to go under 7 days of home quarantine. And secondly, do download the Arogya Setu app and update your health status, because it is needed at the Bangalore and the Delhi airport as well. Thirdly, the hotel facilities are still not available. However, in case if you are planning for a shorter stay in Delhi, you can check out the OYO rooms as well. They might be available. So with that said, guys, if you really like the video, then please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then goodbye guys, keep loving each other. Bye bye.